Yo, what's up everybody? My name is Joe S for Joe S Media and welcome you back to my channel. This is a filmmaking channel that helps you become a profitable filmmaker, not just a filmmaker, but a profitable one. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to do speed ramps in Premiere Pro CC. Before you begin the video, make sure guys you subscribe to my channel, you like my videos, you follow me on Instagram, and without any further ado, let's do the intro. Yes, alright guys, let's get the show on the road. Today, as I've told you, I'm going to teach you about making speed ramps in Premiere Pro CC. If you don't know what a speed ramp is, it basically means making some parts of your video to move faster and the rest of the video to move at a slow pace. This mainly works with footage that is shot in slow motion like 120 frames per second or 60 frames per second. If you have not understood it, let us now do it practically in Premiere Pro CC. When you come to our timeline here, I have a boy that is skating and the footage is shot in slow motion in 120 frames per second. So I want to create a speed ramp at that point where the boy jumps in the air, and I want to make that part faster. Before I do anything, I just come here and then I get my move tool, click and drag to expand my footage so that I have enough space to use when working. So I get my move tool by pressing V on my keyboard. And by the way guys, I did a video about creating shortcuts in Premiere Pro CC. If you never watched that video, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Please watch that video because we hope you work faster and deliver work to clients faster, hence making more money and being appreciated by your clients that this guy delivers work faster. So I get my move tool by pressing V on my keyboard, come and right click on this FX box. If you can't see it, I'm going to zoom it and then you see it. And I come here on FX and then I right click on it. You come here to time ramping and then you click on speed. I come here and then I find a point where I want my speed ramp to begin. I want my speed ramp to begin here. So I get my pen tool by using the shortcut P on my keyboard. I click there to mark it. And then I also get a point where I want my speed ramp to end. I also mark it there. I get my move tool by pressing V on my keyboard and then I click and hold and drag upwards to increase the speed of my footage. Let us play back that footage and then we see. As you can see, it begins slowly and then in the middle it becomes faster and then back to normal. Let me even increase the speed of that ramp. As you can see, begins slowly and then faster. So right now, as you can see, it is not pleasing to the eye. So we are going to make it much more smoother by getting this move tool and clicking at this point. It will turn blue in color and then we will drag backwards to create this curve. We also go to this side, click it to become blue, and then we drag that side. We can also make it much more smoother by clicking at this point. It will turn blue in color. Click on this line and hold and then drag it this side. I'll create a curve that is very smooth. You see the difference? You see here. You see this curve and then you see this curve that we first created in the first place. This curve is much more smoother than this one. Even if I play back, you will see that it is very smooth at the beginning and rough at the end. So I also come here at this point and click at that point. It will turn blue in color and then also drag to create a smooth curve. So now when we play back our footage, it is very smooth, as you can see. Let me also view it in full screen by pressing Ctrl+. Remember the shortcut video that I did. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel because I'm dropping a brand new video every week. Follow me on Instagram, and without any further ado, I'll see you in the next video.